Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Prettier formatting in VS Code step by step clearly. Open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Navigate to the extensions sidebar by clicking on the square icon located on the left toolbar. In the search bar at the top of the extensions sidebar, type Prettier. Locate the Prettier Code Formatter extension in the search results. Click the green Install button to add the Prettier extension to your VS Code. Once installed, you will see the Prettier icon appear in the extensions list. Next, click on the gear icon next to the Prettier extension. Select Extension Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, you can adjust various Prettier options according to your preferences. To set Prettier as your default formatter, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P or Cmd+Shift+P on Mac. Type Preferences, open Settings, JSON, and select it to open the Settings JSON file. Add the following line to the JSON file: editor.defaultformatter, espent.prettiervscode. Save the changes you made to the settings file. Now, to enable Format on Save, search for Format on Save in the settings. Check the box for Editor, Format on Save to make sure code is formatted automatically. You may also want to ensure that Prettier is the only formatter by disabling other formatters. Close the Settings tab to return to your code. Open a file that you want to format and make some changes. Now, save the file with Ctrl+S or Cmd+S on Mac. You should see Prettier automatically format your code according to the specified rules. If you run into any issues, check the output panel for any error messages related to Prettier. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled Prettier formatting in Visual Studio Code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.